If you are going through hell, keep going. 2. Never, never, never give up. 3. Time and money are largely interchangeable terms. 4. Personally, I'm always ready to learn, although I do not always like being taught. 5. Vengeance is the most costly and dissipating of luxuries. 6. Harsh laws are at times better than no laws at all. 7. Everyone has his day, and some days last longer than others.